Okay, I would always find myself struggling to stay focused. I'm a medical student at the same time managing a business. I always feel like I have a lot on my plate. At some point, staying focused seemed like an uphill battle to me. I could not even stay focused in my work or when studying for 10 minutes straight without having any distractions. Like I could not even do the list. So I began having concerns about my health. Hello, my name is Fatma and welcome to the channel. So do you also find yourself struggling to stay focused and have distractions constantly derailing your productivity? Fear not, because in this video we're going to dive into the science behind why we struggle to stay focused and explore some effective strategies that have helped me and will help you to increase your concentration. So let's start by understanding the root causes of our inability to concentrate. Now, first thing is information overload, trying to consume lots of information at the same time. Now, as a medical student, you just have to find a way to cope with this one because there is no way out. The second thing is external distractions like noisy environment, clustered workspace. These distractions literally diverts our attention and makes it way hard to concentrate. Another thing is multitasking. I've talked about this in my other videos. Also mental fatigue, stress, burnout, mental exhaustion. All these can be root causes of us not being able to concentrate. Another thing that I want to mention is your health in general. Your health in general can be the root cause of you not being able to stay focused. When I was concerned about my health, I had gone to see a doctor and I had to run some blood tests. So before anything, just make sure you're in good health. Studies have shown that our brains are wired to seek novelty, making it difficult to sustain focus on one task for an extended period. So this constant stimulation can lead to decreased productivity and increased stress levels. Now, when we engage in tasks that require deep concentration, the prefrontal cortex responsible for decision making and focus can become overwhelmed, leading to cognitive overload. So how can we fix our concentration and boost our productivity? It's time to implement practical strategies that can help you to stay on track and improve your productivity. First, create a distraction-free environment. A quiet, organized workspace free from distractions like our phones, social media, and noisy surroundings can really help us to improve focus and concentration when doing our work or when studying. Then try and set clear goals for your tasks. Define specific, achievable objectives for each task to provide a sense of direction and purpose. Clear goals helps you to prioritize your workload and focus your attention on what truly matters. Also implement the Pomodoro technique. I'm binded to this one because I cannot get any work done without using this technique. Using this technique helps me to get my work done. This is where you do 25 minutes of focused work or 30 minutes of focused work and then followed by a short break of 5 or 10 minutes. Just make sure that the breaks are not longer than the amount of time you spend to do the work. Coming from a person who is big in multitasking, I'd say prioritize single tasking. Instead of trying to multitask, focus on one task at a time to optimize your concentration and efficiency, because single tasking allows you to devote yourself fully to each activity, leading to even better outcomes and reduced mental strain. Now remember, improving your concentration is a gradual process that requires patience and commitment. Start incorporating these strategies into your daily routine and watch your ability to stay focused flourish. Thank you for tuning in. Like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.